Hello and greetings to our lecturer for Plant Propagation and Nursery Management AGR422 subject, Madam Josephine Tening Pahang, and to my fellow friends. My name is Andre A. Antonius, and now I will be presenting one of the plant propagation methods, which is marcoting. The plant I'm going to use in this presentation is Musainda pubescens, or the local name is Jandakaya flower tree. Marcoting, also known as A-layering, is a technique for producing clones from cuttings of woody plants that are usually resistant to root. This technique entails encouraging roots to grow on a branch that is still connected to the parent plant to propagate a new plant from that branch. This technique is done if the plant is unable to produce a lot of seeds or the seeds obtained cannot produce the same tree as the desired parent tree or breed. However, this technique is more complicated than taking cuttings, but has the advantage that the propagated portion continues to receive water and nutrients from the parent plant while it is forming roots. This is important for plants that form roots slowly or for propagating large species. Jandakaya, also known as Musa Indah, is one of the decorative trees. Its scientific name is Musainda pubescens, and it comes from the Rubiaceae family. The nature of this tree that flowers profusely throughout the year causes it to be called the rich widow. It is easy to find and is often used as decorative plant either in the yard or on the side of the road. The tree is medium large and the stem is medium hard. This tree becomes lush if the branches are always trimmed. The flowers have various sizes and colors, either small red, white pink, or medium sized white. It can be propagated using cuttings of green branches and marcoting. Materials. Firstly, we need a grafting knife. The purpose of it is to scrape or remove the bark of the stem and the cambium layer. Secondly, we need rooting hormone powder to encourage root growth and increase the propagation success rate. Next, we need a medium, which is peat moss. The purpose of this material is to create a necessary environment for plants to grow. Also, we need plastic rope to bind the medium attached to the stem propagator. Lastly, we also need a plant label or plant tag to mark the date it was planted and monitor the growth of the plant. Procedure: select a good branch about a finger thick and near vertical. Remove a ring of bark 3 to 5 cm long using the ringing method. The cut must be deep enough to get through the cambium layer. Scrape the branch well to remove the soft material. Make sure all excess is removed by tapping and blowing. Dust the uppercut area with rooting hormone powder. And then wrap the medium around the cut area and tie it using plastic rope. After 5 to 6 weeks, a good root system should be visible and the marcot is then ready to be taken from the parent tree. For optimal results, start cutting 2 weeks in advance and stop halfway through. To make sure that the newly created roots can handle the transpiration requirements of the foliage, Remove the rest of the leaves and smaller stems from this branch. Conclusion: the marketing technique has its own advantages and disadvantages which you consider carefully so that you can make a sensible decision. The first advantages is clones begin to give fruit considerably sooner than the trees grown from seeds, which improves the early bearing. The marketing approach can result in smaller trees that, even when fully grown, maintain their modest size, need less room in the garden or block, and are simpler to harvest. Advantages is fruits from clones have superior quality increases than those from plants grown from seeds. Its fruit will be larger since the trees used in the marketing method ensure harvest and allow you to choose female plants. The last advantages is it can provide better tree care for smaller trees, make pest and disease control easier, and streamline orchard management. Firstly, plant breeding techniques for air layering or marketing have the drawback that they are time consuming and expensive. Secondly, to be able to generate more layers, stock plants must be grown across the larger area. And the last one is, from a parent plant, only a few of the layers can be really formed. That's all from me. Thank you.